everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Selena. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be kind of tutorial-esque, kind of a little bit vlog-ish, maybe some ASMR. Who knows? We'll see what this turns into. But if you do like it, let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more of these style videos. So today I'm going to bring you guys along with me to make 18 40-ounce tumblers that I have to do for a wholesale order. And I'm going to quickly go over everything I'm going to use to get that done and bring you along, and we'll get started. Starting with our sublimation oven, I will be using my PYD Life that is 25 liters. It was a great investment and it honestly paid for itself pretty quickly. This is my favorite way to make 40-ounce tumblers. It's super efficient, fast, and it does heat up really quick. And you can put 2 40-ounce tumblers in this thing at one time. I will also be using my heat gun because today I will be using the shrink wrap method for my designs to get my design to sublimate to my 40-ounce tumbler. I will also be using my Trident Mini, heat gloves of course, scissors, my 40-ounce tumblers over here that I'm going to sublimate my design onto that already have all of the handles removed. I do have another case coming today, so hopefully it gets here super early so we can go ahead and jump into those and add them because this is not enough. I do need more. I will also be using heat transfer tape. And most importantly, I will be using my 40-ounce sublimation designs that I personally printed with my sublimation printer. And I have 4 different designs here that I'm going to put onto my tumblers. And I have another design back here that I have to put on for another customer as well. Lastly, I'll be using my little mini drill I got from Walmart and my 90-degree angle that I'll be using to put my handles back onto my tumblers. But you can also use a screwdriver as well. These ended up being short. Okay. Set this one to the side and double check them all. A little long. Boo. It's okay, I'd rather them be perfect. I'll be right back. I'll go print these again. Now that those are printing again, let me move on to the pink coquette ones that I know are the right size. Have some success there. Now actually I'm gonna do my other customers' tumblers real quick. I know these are sized correctly. I make tumblers wholesale, so if you do markets and need help but still want your items to be handmade, I can help you. Or if you have a boutique or an online Etsy that you still want to be handmade, just let me know, contact me, and I can help you with your products as well. These are actually available from My Curly Adventures. I'll leave the link in the description below for her Etsy. And if you purchase one, you're supporting 2 small business owners. Let's jump into the rest. I like to set my PYD oven to 370 degrees for the upper and bottom tube, and I personally set it to 7 minutes. Once it dings and is ready, I wait till it gets 6.5 minutes, then I open the oven, throw these 2 in there, and then let them cook for a total of 6 minutes. Woo! Okay, I just downed some more coffee. Ideally, I like to have the next 2 ready to go, but and having to cut the ones I had to reprint is slowing me down a little, but it's okay. I'll get it done. So my phone decided to die yesterday. Okay, so the last two of that set. Cute. Fully charged. Now I'm going to put all the handles on. Thank you all so much for spending your time with me, making my wholesale order. If you like this vlog style video, please be sure to like it and subscribe for future videos. If you made it this far in the video, leave me a comment below with emojis using your favorite color. Thank you all so much for watching. I can't wait to see you next time. Until then, happy crafting.